Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Google Calendar into your Windows in a very simple way. You just simply come over into Google Chrome and then you'll get an option called Google Apps, and then here you will get an option called Google Calendar. If you click on that, then you will come into Google Calendar apps, and from here you can download it by simply coming over into this feeder option, and then you will get an option called Cast, Save and Share. If you click on that, and then you'll find the option called Install Page as App. So if you click on that, then there will be a permission called Install this page as an app. So if you click on Install, you can see your page is installed as an app, and you can see there is the icon over here. And if you come over into this right side called, there is a notification called, would you like to pin Google Calendar to your taskbar? If you want to, then click on yes, and if you don't want, then click on no thanks. So this is how you can download and install Google Calendar into your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.